Welcome to Lagniappe, a program about events, issues, and people. I'm Cory Crowe. I'm joined today by Katrina Branson, the owner and founder of Holistic Vibes. Katrina, thanks for being with us today on Lagniappe.
Thanks for having me. Glad to be here.
Well, you've got a big weekend event planned. It's the Community Health and Wellness Expo, and it's already too soon to think about. It's back to school time, isn't it?
I know it, right? Where did the summer go?
It's almost over, and this is a big drive to make sure the community's healthy and get the kids a good footing and get started and get ready for school, right?
It is, absolutely. It's twofold. We're trying to get and, keep the community healthy, number one, first and foremost, but then we recognize that students are going back to school. So what better way to prepare our students for back to school than to have a huge health fair?
Let's talk a little bit about that health fair. It's coming up this Saturday, August 3rd. Where are you guys going to be?
We will be at the Monroe Civic Center arena. We'll be inside. It's going to be cool. We don't have to worry about the heat. That'll be outside. We have several things that are going to be going on inside the arena.
They got that air conditioning working good down there, too, because they're getting ready for ice hockey, so you got to keep the room cold when you get ready for that. Let's talk a little bit about what all you're going to be doing. You're doing health screenings, I know. Is this like a free event, or do you have to pay to come to it? How does it work?
It is a free event. It's free to the community. We're asking everyone to come out. It's for all ages, from the little ones to the teens to the students, parents, educators. We're inviting everybody to come out. You don't have to register. You can just show up at the door. We will ask when you get to the door to register at that time, but you don't have to register beforehand. We are expecting a huge crowd, so get there early.
Talk to me a little bit about these health screenings. What kind of things are you going to be doing in the area of health?
Right. We have our title sponsor, auctioneer LSU Health Monroe Medical Center, who's been with us for a number of years. And they're going to have several screenings. Of course, your regular your blood pressure, cholesterol screenings, things of that nature. Screenings for men's health is very important as well. Breast health is something that's very, very important in our community. So we've got auctioneer who's going to be providing a number of screenings. We also have VCOM. VCOM's going to be there with several booths. We've got VCOM volunteers who are going to be doing screening. So we are excited and geared up for a really big event with some really, really helpful screenings.
Now, you and Holistic Vibes, your business is all about taking care of lifestyle and all the stuff that you need to do so you don't get in an unhealthy situation. Talk to me about some of those things that are going to be going on. I know you're going to be doing yoga that day.
Yes, we are. And that's the whole mission behind Holistic Vibes. It's really a way for people to really get a hold of their health and take control of their health and prevent those things from happening. So practices like yoga, mindfulness, making sure that you're eating healthy, making sure that you are taking care of your body and you're exercising is really, really what we want to push to our community to maintain that lifestyle.
You know, a lot goes into just being calm and peaceful and not all mad all the time and running up your stress level. You are going to sit down with some local artists. You've got art projects going on while you're doing health screenings?
We do. We've got award-winning Brandon Virgil, who's going to be leading our art sessions. And it's for young and old. Adults can come and be a part of that paint session as well. So we've got art, we've got music, we've got Zumba, we've got Louisiana Lunatics. We have a panel of speakers that are going to be talking as well. We've got the Director of Child Welfare with the City of Monroe, Dr. Brian Bush, who's going to be talking as well about school. So we have really jammed-packed the day with a number of activities and events and things that are going to be helpful for everyone in the community.
All right, let's talk about the kiddos for a minute. Back to school time, and they're going to come get their health stuff, and then they're going to be bored, and they're going to be like, "What else is there for us to do?" So, what's going on for all the kids who are going to be down at the Monroe Civic Center this Saturday?
Well, being that we're inside the arena, we can have so much more. We used to be in the smaller section of the Civic Center. So we've got the big bounce houses that are going to be inside the arena, several inflatables. We've got the big bounce house, the basketball inflatable. We've got miniature golf. We've got some other vendors, Spartan Adventure Park that's going to be there with some games. Bayou Bowl is going to be there. So we've got a number of things for kids to do. They can come at 10 and stay until 2. We've got free refreshments. We've got Starbucks that's going to be there for the morning to kind of get you going with that coffee. So we didn't leave anything out. We have really thought this event through, and we have really provided something for everyone at the event.
We're speaking with Katrina Branson from Holistic Vibes about the 6th Annual Community Health and Wellness Expo at the Civic Center this Saturday. Katrina, there may be folks out there that want to know, like yoga. Is there a certain time the class starts? Are there multiple classes through the day? Are there certain times I need to be certain places? How does it work?
There are. We do have a schedule that we'll be putting out on tomorrow. Yoga will typically start in the morning. We want to kick off our day, our morning, with that gentle yoga, that gentle movement. So we will start out with yoga. You don't have to bring a mat. We have free mats that are available for those participants who want to join in for yoga. And then we'll progress throughout the day with our speakers, have Zumba towards the end of the day. But follow us on Facebook. We've got an event page there. That's where we're going to be posting the schedule on tomorrow. But just come and be prepared to stay the whole day.
So a whole day of activities, and what time do you get kicked off again at the Civic Center?
Doors are going to open at 10 a.m. When you come, just be sure and register before you enter the arena. I do want to recognize a couple of other sponsors. We've got Healthy Blue, who is our title sponsor as well. When you come in, you'll see them at the main entrance. Our media sponsor, KTVE, has been wonderful. I've been on the TV several times, and then one of our premier sponsors is Aetna Better Health. So we have a great partnership of community partners that are helping us really kick this off.
It's the 6th Annual Community Health and Wellness Expo. Katrina Branson from Holistic Vibes, our guest today. Katrina, again, for folks to find out more, 10 to 2 Saturday, where do they go for the schedule?
We will be at the Monroe Civic Center from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday. Follow us on Facebook. We have an event page. Everything's going to be posted there.
That's Katrina Branson. For more information on this and other events, be sure and check our community calendar at KEDM.org and watch our videos on YouTube and like and subscribe. This is 90.3 KEDM Public Radio.